doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour, life.
Okay, so we're at the Crowne Plaza in Birmingham, near the NEC, near Resorts World, room 236. Okay, so this is a refurbed room, which luckily, for some reason they always upgrade us. So we always pay for the basic room and then they upgrade us. So we have the bathroom, sink, there's some body lotion and hand and body wash. Toilet. This is part of the refurb. I think for some reason we've got these nice pictures of Birmingham. Shower over bath, rainfall shower, which was nice and powerful. Towels, you've got the wardrobe here. This side you have the safe and a little mini fridge, and there's a ironing board and an iron. Then we have, this is the room, nice king bed. This side here you have a USB and some plugs and the telephone, and this side you have some more USBs and the lights. This side there's just a little table. So that side there is no drawers, but there is a little bedside, what would you call it, slot. There is literally no drawer, so you've got that wardrobe to hang things and the tables, but no drawers whatsoever. You've got a nice lamp there and a little armchair. That lamp's annoying. With housekeeping, when you arrive, that light is always on, but when you go to bed, you turn the lights off and you realise that one's on, which you always have to go off and do with the little red pulley, which I think is actually really annoying because everyone must do that when they go to bed. You've got a little lamp there. Little desk area, vanity area, you have a coffee machine, kettle, your usual teas and coffees, a mirror, there's USBs in these plugs as well, I think just in that one. Big TV, great TV that I like in these hotels, YouTube, etc., smart telly. So yeah, really like these rooms, bit of artwork. And I'll just quickly show you the view. They call it a lake view, but effectively we've got a tree in the way, but you can just about see the lake there. That's the bar of the hotel. And you can see the NEC over there. Sky looks like it always does in Birmingham. But there you go, the Crowne Plaza at the NEC Birmingham.
Keys, turn, doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour, life. Keys turn, doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour, life. Ease, turn, doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour.